3.
3 packs ago, including this one.
Gotta let me open one, man. It's my favorite product.
Jamarcus Russell, Jay Cutler, filler, a Walter Payton legend, number to 999 for the Bears.
There's still one all-base pack.
Ronnie Brown and Kevin Curtis. Yeah, still one more all-base pack.
Brad Cotton. Peyton Hillis isn't
Jason Campbell, Adrian Peterson, a Sunday's Best, a Reggie Bush, number to 1,000. Casey, just look at that. You can look at that later, Casey. Last pack.
Brian, holy crap, the whole pack is still on the screen.
I don't care, Casey. If you want to have a group break, make your own.
Watch the video.
And there's not all base. Julius Jones, Dallas Clark, a Santonio Holmes, Monday Night Heroes, number 250, John Kitna, and Steven Jackson. So that's a group break. I'll make a recap video. See ya. Yeah, that right there. Okay, end it.
How?
Press that button.